For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Since its moderately unassuming starting points in 2015, the Vechain network has advanced and is rapidly drawing in worldwide consideration. At present, in excess of 30 organizations inside the Fortune 500 run live arrangements on Vechain, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault. This Vechain cost forecast guide will update you on all that you really want to be familiar with Vechain. Continue to peruse to figure out what Vechain is, from its highlights to specialized examination, verifiable information, value forecasts, and that's just the beginning. What is Vechain, VT? Vechain, VT, is a self-created blockchain stage work to support inventory network the executives and smooth out business processes. The stage was established in 2015 by Sunny Lu, a previous CIO of Louis Vuitton China. In its initial days, the VET token worked exclusively as a feature of the Ethereum blockchain. The pioneers, notwithstanding, had a few loftier objectives as a main priority. In 2018, Vechain completely rebranded itself and changed onto its own public blockchain, Vechain Thor, switching its VEN tokens over completely to VET as well as adding the Vechain gas token VTHO. It has since developed into an undertaking-centered, multi-coin IoT and production network the executive's biological system and has effectively settled a significant client base. With the assistance of Disseminated Record Innovation, DLT, the stage can sort out and smooth out data stream for complex inventory chains. It utilizes two essential tokens, Vechain Thor Energy, a brilliant agreement layer, and Vechain Token, or VET, for conveying esteem across the framework. As per Vechain's white paper, the two-token framework was organized to have a solid model for decentralized application engineers and guarantee successful administration. The Vechain white paper frames the stage's principal point, which is to make information straightforward and noteworthy. It likewise expects to be an IoT, Internet of Things, middle person and at the very front of introductory coin contributions made utilizing Vechain. By joining DLT with IoT angles, the Vechain network is satisfying its objective of causing disturbances in the production network industry. Vechain, VET, Fundamental Analysis. VET stands apart as one of the first blockchains planned solely to meet the prerequisites of big business-level customer base. It is one of a handful of the crypto projects that throw a tantrum with enormous names like Walmart China, Cointelegraph, PwC, Louis Vuitton, LVMH, BMW Group, Moet, and Hennessy. Here is a speedy outline of a portion of Vechain's most eminent elements. Multitask Transaction, MTT. Vechain's multi-capability nuclear exchanges enable designers to make group installments, decide their successions and add numerous calls to various agreement capabilities. Controllable transaction lifecycle. With the assistance of block ref and expiration exchange fields, clients can determine the handling and lapse times and the event that excluded from the block. Fee delegation. Vechain's adaptable exchange charge assignment plans, designated gas payer and multi-party payment, furnish installed clients with a freemium model inside a decentralized application. Proof of Authority. Vechain utilizes a Proof of Authority, POA, model to guarantee that future improvements are in accordance with the vision of the Vechain Foundation. The blockchain is kept up with by 101 authority masternodes, AM. Vechain, VET, price. Vechain is as of now worth $0.024425. VET has moved -8.43% as of now with an exchanging volume of $98,504,829. Vechain is as of now positioned 332 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,774,771,820 Using the Overall Strength Record, RSI, Moving Weighted Normal, MWA, Williams Fractal, and Moving Normal Union Disparity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Vechain, VET, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Vechain, VAT, Price Prediction 2022. Vechain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. VAT. The VET cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.036644. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.034201 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. VET is supposed to have a base worth of $0.029315. Vechain, VAT, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Vechain VET cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of VET will before long outperform $0.061074. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the VET's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, VET will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.048859 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.053745. Vechain, VAT, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.085503 and VET might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. VET is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.078175 and a low of $0.073289 in 2024. Vechain, VAT, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming that Vechain effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the VET coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, VET will be green in 2025. The VET is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.109933, with a base cost of $0.097718 and a typical cost of $0.102604. Vechain, VAT, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the VET cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.127034 by 2026.